We can beat diabetes with just two ingredients, aloe vera and water. In this video, I'll share a simple recipe to assist, to lower, or to even prevent diabetes. Diabetes is a problem and we must fight it, and we can win. Diabetes is a serious problem we're facing, especially us as Black people. Almost 13% of Black people are likely to get diabetes, as against about 9% or close to 9% in Caucasian or white people. And so we have to take matters in our own hand and try to either push back the disease or prevent it totally. For pre-diabetic persons, look, this simply means in every 100 persons, Black persons that we know, 13 of those persons are likely, or almost 12.9%, the research is they're likely to get the disease. And so it is serious. And there are things we can do to help to either push it back, get it at a later stage in life, or to not get it at all. And I'm going to share with you one simple ingredient that we grow. There are others, but this one ingredient that we grow in our gardens is so easy to grow. I am going to share with you how you can use that to help prevent the disease, or to give yourself, to buy yourself some more time. It is simple to use and it is simple to grow as well. I'm going to show you both how to use it as well as how to grow it. You might not be able to see the plant very well, but this is aloe vera that I'm growing right here. And this is the plant we're making reference to. My name is Mary if you're new here, and this is our living pantry where we grow most of our fresh fruits and vegetables that we consume. And we try to make this garden, or what should I say, medicine chest as well. So we grow a lot of the medicine that we use at home. Before I continue, I'd like to inform you guys, this is not professional medical advice. All of the information provided here at Farm in the Rocks is based off of experience and things that help us personally. So if it is you have a medical condition, please consult your physician, your doctors, before taking any of what I am sharing as a substitute. This is not to be substituted for any medication that is prescribed by your doctor. All right, so this is the aloe vera plant. And this is what a stem or a leaf of aloe vera looks like. And in that juicy center bit, well, all of the plant is medicinal, but that is what we're going to be using today to show you how you can. This is super effective. I have a whole, what would you say, lineage of diabetics in my family. Guys, this helps. We can beat diabetes with just two ingredients, aloe vera and water. In this video, I'll share a simple recipe to assist, to lower, or to even prevent diabetes. Diabetes is a problem and we must fight it, and we can win. All right, let's leave these here just for a minute. Now, with all of the home remedies that we use, I like to share with you how we grow them as well. So I'm going to quickly show you how easy it is to grow aloe vera. It is a desert plant. Basically, it needs very little watering. it I planted this over 10 years ago and never had to replant aloe vera. No matter how we try to get rid of it, it goes nowhere. So I'm going to show you quickly how easy it is to grow aloe vera, and then we'll get back to this and how it actually works to help with blood sugar. Now we planted two plants when we just bought the property, and here on the face of the rock is one of those. Now this does not get watered unless it rains, and this is in solid rock, guys. So this is just an example of how easy it is to maintain aloe vera. As a matter of fact, it needs no maintenance. We planted it along the roadway when we bought the property. This area had no house at all when we came here to live. And so we planted it. And guys, the amount of aloe vera along the roadway now, you'd never believe it. All you need is one little plant. Just like this. I have to be careful where I'm walking. This is what we planted, something like this. This is all you need to plant. And this create a whole jungle of aloe vera plants. Now this plant is very juicy. There's a lot of liquid in there, but it doesn't mean it likes water. It absolutely hates water. It likes well-drained soil, preferably sand or stone, and very, very little water. So if it is that you get no rainfall, once per week is good enough. And even if it looks like this is due to lack of water. As soon as you water it, it will plump up right back. But if you overwater, the roots will rot and the plant will die. So I'm planting it in the rocks, just like I did around there. And all I did was I just move away some of the rocks from the surface and expose some of the what you call this? Um the composted dry leaves. I just move away the rocks and then place it directly into the rock like that. Absolute add no soil at all. So the leaves and the shrubs above they fall to the ground, the dry ones, and they break down in the rock. And then I just place it like that and put the rocks back around it and the rain water it. And we get rainwater like once per month, twice if we're lucky. That's all it needs, basically. Now let's get back to the benefits of the aloe vera and how it helps us to reduce our blood sugar or prevent diabetes. Let's get to that. Now I know we value all of our limbs, all of our body parts, but if we're asked the question which of our limbs we would not want to lose, we wouldn't want to lose our sight. We want to keep our eyes because everybody wants to see the world around us. And we don't want to lose our feet because that's how we remain um, mobile. If I'm to choose between my arms and my legs, I'm going to choose my legs because none of us want to be dependent on anything or anybody. So we love to see and we love to move about. And those are two of the main organs on our body or body parts and or body parts and organs on our body that diabetes affect the most. Or sight, you start to lose your sight. That's one of the side effects that say, hey, you might have sugar. So go check your blood sugar levels. You start to have blurry visions and so on. And then you start to have numbness in your feet, and that's how you know something is off. You need to check. Amputation, diabetes is one of the main culprit for amputations. And so we want to try and alleviate the levels of sugar that our body is absorbing. Aloe vera can help. Let me prepare this and dive a little deeper into how it actually works. Now, aloe vera is really, really bitter, and that is one of the reasons why most of us don't eat it. Now, I I don't like the smell of the skin. The outer part, the surface of it, I do not like the smell at all. So I allow Steve to make this for me. But for you, I'll do it. So what you want to do, you want to peel away the skin of the leaf because that's where it's most bitter. And the properties that you need from it is actually in the gel on the inside. And so you don't need to punish yourself with that bitter outer skin of the aloe vera. So the aloe vera contains properties that actually stimulate insulin in your body. You know you need insulin to regulate the absorption of sugar or glucose in your blood. So what this does when you consume the water that I'm about to make, it prevents the glucose from being absorbed, that much glucose from being absorbed in your digestive tract. All right, so let me show you how you prepare this. So you're gonna take off some of the skin. Just gonna do a little piece because it's just for me to drink this morning. Guys, this is not a pleasant experience. It is not pleasant to drink. I'm not going to say it's yummy. Compared to the tuna that I did for the high blood pressure, this is the stark contrast when it comes on to what it actually tastes like. Um, but it is good for you, and sometimes a lot of the things that are good for us, they don't taste pleasant. So we make that sacrifice for health. That's some people actually just eat this gel. I am not that. I'm not at that place yet. I'm just at this place. So what you need is a glass jar. You need a glass jar with clean fresh water, and you're gonna cut this into small bits and place in the water. You're just going to cut this into small pieces. Oops, that slime is good. Could be smaller pieces, but just to give you an idea, put it in the water like that, and the cover. No, you can either leave this on your counter or place in the refrigerator overnight and drink this water in the morning. So what that will do, preferably drink it before your meals. You can drink it after as well. I don't know if there is much of a difference. And what that will do is when you consume your meals, this that is already in your digestive system will prevent your body from absorbing too much of the glucose and even prevent production of sugar in your digestive tract. So your body will produce more insulin, which helps to regulate the sugar, the glucose in your body, and also it will allow your body to um what do I say, absorb less glucose. And glucose is the cause of diabetes. And this is for pre-diabetics, or type 2 diabetes. So it's not full blown diabetes. If it gets to the point where it's full blown, then you'll have to, this might not necessarily help because you can't reverse full blown diabetes. But you can prevent or get rid of type 2 diabetes so you don't develop the full blown. And chances are you will get diabetes if it is hereditary. And so if it is in your family line, chances are you will get it at some point, but you want to delay that. You want to delay it as much as possible. And I'm sure this will also help if you have full blown diabetes. Just that at that point, it is at the stage where you might have to live on medication. Most time it's insulin, whether it's by tablets or by injection. You'll have to live taking those for the rest of your life. And we are trying to prevent that. As I said earlier in the video, 13%, if you look at 100 people and to take 13 from that, is a lot of black people who are being diagnosed on a daily basis with diabetes. And we can do something about it if we eat a little bit better, grow some more of what we eat, and take medicine that the Lord placed on this earth to help us. If we do that, we can alleviate some of these illnesses and diseases that are taking home our people too young and rendering us helpless. We have to be on in wheelchairs and on crutches and in bed even, when we can do something to um help ourselves. And all I'm doing here is trying to help as many persons as I possibly can. And so, guys, if this video was useful or helpful to you, please share so that others are able to benefit and just help to remedy themselves. If there are any other video that you'd like me to do, there are so many herbs and things that we take in the garden. I'm not sure if you're interested in any. So how I would know and how I plan future videos. This video was requested by quite a few persons. I love to tailor the videos to you, so please leave your request in the comments. Guys, there's absolutely nothing wrong with my finger. Right on top here is just dry, and so I placed right here, I placed a band-aid with lotion in there on it. So nothing is wrong with the finger, guys. So if it is that you need any videos tailored to your need, please let me know in the comments and I will plan future videos for you with you in mind. All right, guys, please continue to like and leave your comments and share the videos. That's how it works on YouTube. We need to interact with the videos, interact with the what are we creators, in order for the algorithm to pick us up and push out the videos so more persons are able to see them and benefit from them. I want to thank you all so much for the support. Thank you to my members. Appreciate you all. To my new subscribers who came on board recently, welcome on board. To my old subscribers and viewers who have been there for me through thick and thin. Guys, yesterday I wasn't feeling well and you still watch the video. Thank you very, very much. I appreciate you all so much. See you in the next one, guys. I'm gonna drink my bitter water now, guys. You can't see my face drinking this. It is a rubble. It's bitter, but I still drink it. I can't drink it right now because the smell still lingers. Steve usually makes it for me and then I just whap it down. So do give it a try and let me know how it goes. All right, guys. See you in the next one. You come with me.